this is my passion, this is my escape part, this is my passion, this is something I love, so I'm gonna do it the way I wanted to do it, the way I like it, and I guess I'm gonna go with English. So okay. I didn't record and make a video from a while, so yeah, I'm really happy that I finally did it. And the weird thing, I don't feel I want to sleep. I didn't drink like an extra coffee like usually I do every day. I want to like stay late to do some stuff, but I'm feeling happy, so I'm gonna talk like open with you guys. So I love makeup. I love my YouTube channel, like the old channel when it was deleted. I made this new channel in the same day. Of course, I was crying and all this stuff. I talked about like the whole story in my first video on the channel, but I cried. I was so sad and all this stuff. But after I finished my emotions and just let all the sadness out, I made the channel in the same day. Like it was deleted in the morning, and at evening I did my channel, I made it again, and I was like recording my first video. So I love doing this. That was like something for me, telling me that I really love, I enjoy doing this. Sorry. And I really like lose track of time completely when I'm just in front of my camera and with my makeup and recording all this stuff. The only thing that I really don't like is editing. I guess a lot of us like YouTube gurus and YouTube like creators don't like editing. Maybe some like, but I don't like editing. But again, in the same time, when I sit in front of my computer, just like I think like, okay, I don't want to edit, but I need to. Just like paperwork, you need to do because it's the basic thing of your work. You don't like doing it, but you need to do it. But for me, just the beginning, I feel like I don't want to do it, but I have to. I must do it, but I don't like it. But when I sit in front of my computer, to be honest, and start editing, I lose my track of time. I lose that I'm hungry. I don't feel I'm hungry. I don't feel I'm thirsty. I don't feel that until I'm just like having like a wait time, just like I'm waiting a video to render or something. I just like feel like, yeah, I've been here for a long time. Now I'm thirsty and hungry. I need to eat something. So Soul, it's like an anime. It's like a cartoon. It's really, really good movie. I really love it. Every time I watch this movie, I cry at the end when Joe saved 22. When he found out his not purpose, but living every day and enjoying every moment and enjoying everything and every single thing. And Sadhguru always say that like this inevitable moment, be in this moment, live in this moment, and just like it's a very unique moment. It was never before and it will be never again. It's just a very, very single moment. This moment right now is a very unique moment. So I begin to live by this, and I feel my life is changing like bit by bit and began to change completely and quickly. Like everything is about to change. I'm so excited, but like I'm scared, to be honest. I'm too scared, but I'm so excited at the same time because that's what I wanted from a really long time. And I knew somehow that will never be happened before I changed myself from inside. It's just like now I can see in evidence like I'm reflecting my inner world outside. So what I need to say is like now I've been like sitting here for about like 4 hours. been sitting here for about 4 hours, preparing everything, preparing my setup, my lighting, my camera, especially that I'm using the old lens, the old camera lens, or the kit lens for recording DIYs and crochet tutorials and this stuff. And now I'm recording with another lens, new one. It's still new for me because I didn't like use it that much, like the adjustment and how it looks like, especially it's very far because a new lens, it doesn't move, so I need to move myself or move the camera. It's very far away right now, so I have my laptop right here so I can see and like adjust the setting of the camera from here, not going back and forth like crazy. So still, but I guess I'm getting used to it. So for me, I know I love doing something, but the beginning, the start, so just start. So I decided today, in 2 days will be the Valentine, and they're recording a makeup video for the Valentine. So, and I wanted to record a makeup video for the Valentine, and I wanted to record another video for a lot of new stuff that I already had. So I decided to combine them together to make one video, like two together. So I don't spend a lot of time editing because I'm gonna talk through the whole thing, and in the same time I'm doing a Valentine's Day, so I came up with this makeup. I really hope you like it. It will be on the channel already with this DIY. I love doing like hand stuff, handmade stuff. So I did this one. I made it by myself. Also will be on the card description box down below. So I really enjoy doing this. I really enjoying like talking through loud, because normally I just like do voiceover because I record an Arabic and English video, but I really enjoy doing this. And I guess I'm gonna do a lot of this kind of videos because it's less editing, because I'm not gonna do a voiceover and add the voiceover and adjust everything, and it's a lot of work. So I really enjoy doing this talk through video. The bad thing will be only in one language, be English. It will be a nice thing for me as well because I began to speak more in English. There's no one here I can practice English with, so that will be a nice practice for me. So yeah, and so it'll be less editing, so I can be more productive in my channel and get into it more. So I was talking about the Soul movie, and knowing your like reason, the zone, like going back to the zone part, how when he was like playing on the piano and then becoming the zone.
What is this place?
You know how when you humans are really into something and it feels like you're in another place? Feels like you're in the zone, right?
Yeah?
Well, this is the zone. It's the space between the physical and spiritual.
Wait a minute. I was here today during my audition. This must be where musicians come when they get into a flow.
Not just musicians.
I feel I'm in the zone like 4 hours right now. Sitting here recording and like doing a lot of stuff, recording mini videos and all this stuff, and now recording this video for you guys. I didn't realize I've been here for 4 hours until I looked to the clock right now. Even I had my phone with me in my hands, but I just use it to do my Pomodoro. Okay, let me see. Okay, I have my Pomodoro here. So I just take my phone and just adjust my Pomodoro when it finished, and just repeat it again because this is a work time for me. I just use Pomodoro when I begin to edit and work and record and all this stuff. So it's very important because it makes me more productive. So I really love it so much. If you feel lazy or procrastinate a lot about the stuff that you do, try using Pomodoro apps. It's really amazing. I talked about this in a vlog or podcast video before. I love this application so much. It's an application called Milky. So it's really nice. I really love it. I use a lot of Pomodoro apps, and this one is very nice. So going back, just like having my phone recording, like recording some reels and some videos, and like having some shots for this makeup and all this stuff. But I didn't look to the clock. I just looked to the clock now and found out it's 4 hours. I was in the zone, and I'm still in the zone, but I was completely in the zone. And this really happens to me when I'm editing. At the beginning, I feel like I don't want to do this, but once I just sit in front of my computer and said, okay, I'm gonna edit only for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna go do anything else. I just sit for the 5 minutes and just like adjust the time for 5 minutes and 5 minutes. Bring another 5 minutes, bring another 10 minutes, bring 20 minutes, and I found myself just completely lost in the editing process, and I just like feel okay, I don't want to stop until I finish this product completely. And I feel so like alive, and I feel like the feeling of achievement when I finish a video and begin to upload it. I feel like I did something very good. I was just like, it feels so good, and the adrenaline, like the dopamine like rush in my body makes me feel like I want to do more, but just once it's gone, I don't want to edit again and again. I just go in this cycle. But I guess I will do more videos like talking through, especially for makeup reviews. Of course, I'm talking through, but for makeup, I guess I will do talking through in English, because really more easy for me, and it will take less time editing, and it will make me feel I'm more productive. Maybe I will do on other videos with Arabic. I still don't know, but I'm gonna focus on English, because I found out in the analytics of my channel just goes to an English part. Like the majority of the people watching my channel like watch English videos, not Arabic videos. So I guess I'm gonna go to this part, because my analytics for 2 years, like my top 10 videos, all English, except for one Arabic, which is the Emilia Clarke's Eyes, this lens urban layer cider green. It's the only Arabic one which is in the first 10 from a couple of months. So like not a couple of months, like about like 3 or 4 months actually. Like the top 10 English except for one, and before that the top 10 was completely English. All of them are English. So I'm gonna go in this way, and especially I will be too busy. Like I don't want to talk about it, but I will be busy later on this year. I will spend most of my time outside house, outside home, and a lot of work, a lot of things, and this is my passion. This is my escape part. This is my passion. This is something I love. So I'm gonna do it the way I wanted to do it, the way I like it, and I guess I'm gonna go with English. So I'm just feeling so happy. Maybe I'm like blobbing and just jumping from one part to another, but I'm so happy that I did this. I'm so happy that I found out like I was in the zone, still in the zone. I just like wanna continue recording when I know my card will die. It will be completely full. I need to buy a new card because I have a lot of videos need to be edited. Yeah, it takes a lot of time to edit because, as I told you, I do a voiceover, and like making DIYs and all this stuff needs a lot of editing, especially doing projects like crochet projects or DIYs take a lot of time to do. So it takes a lot of time to record many videos, a lot of sections, a lot of cuts, and all this stuff. So I will try my best to reduce the work of editing for me, and in the same time doing the things that I love. So yeah, for this makeup, as I told you, in this earrings will be in a channel. It was for Valentine's Day, and I love this dress. I'm gonna make an outfit for this dress because it's really good. So yeah, I'm gonna see you soon, guys, and I hope this video was helpful for anyone who is like me somehow. So I love you. Bye.
You're stuck